Sinapin nilagay natin.
Ha? Kuhanin mo na yung sa iyo dyan.
Hindi mo isang Pilipinas yun.
Nag-request ako ng dalawang robe, bathrobe. Ayan. So, na-request ko. Kasi wala silang bathrobe dito. Tapos, nag-request din ako ng towel. Extra towel. Dalawang towel. Okay. So, may blower. Ano to? Ah! May kuran. May kuran. Ano to? For laundry. Okay lang. So, this is actually the door going to the bathroom. Siyempre. Okay. Okay, I just want chamomile.
2,000 yan.
Okay, so I didn't expect this. They have a welcome note with your name on their screen. So this is what you get at Aloft Riyadh. Is this hotel actually worth it? I can say yes, it is. It felt cozy and relaxing. Plus, it is not that expensive. And the location, that's a big win for me. Being right in Olaya makes everything so convenient. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel.